In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate QuickBooks Online with your Wix site. By the end of this guide, you'll have a smoother process for managing your sales and invoices, saving you time and effort. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your Chrome browser and head over to your Wix dashboard. If you haven't logged in already, do so now to access all the features available to you. Your dashboard is the control center for your website, and it's where we'll start the integration process. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the App section. The App section is essentially the marketplace that provides various tools and functionalities to extend the features of your Wix site. You'll find a search bar in this section, and this will be crucial for our next step. In the search bar, type in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks is a trusted tool for managing finances and helps you keep track of your accounting needs with ease. This will be an essential app for anyone looking to streamline their business processes on their Wix site. Upon finding the QuickBooks Online app, click on Add to Site. A series of prompts will guide you through the process of logging into your QuickBooks account. This step is vital for ensuring that communication between your Wix site and QuickBooks is established correctly. After logging in, you'll need to authorize the connection between your Wix account and QuickBooks. This authorization is important because it allows data like your sales and invoices from Wix to sync with QuickBooks. Doing so ensures that all your financial data remains organized and up to date, keeping your records accurate without the need for manual updates. With the connection now established, it's time to customize the settings to suit your preferences. You can set up how the data syncing occurs, whether it should happen automatically or manually according to your business needs. Customizing these settings allows you to tailor the integration to best fit your workflow, giving you control over how your information is processed and synchronized. And there you have it. By successfully following these steps, you've integrated QuickBooks Online with your Wix site. This setup not only keeps your financial data organized, but also simplifies your administrative tasks, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Remember, integrating tools like QuickBooks can be a game changer for efficiently managing your finances. If you have any queries or run into issues during the setup, don't hesitate to reach out to Wix or QuickBooks support for additional help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your business operations.